first time Mirimiri, bro?
Yeah, brother.
So how'd you find it?
Oh, completely blown away. Completely blown away. I think, just how they know what's. I said something. I had nothing wrong with me, and all of a sudden, they've just pinpointed all these sore points. So it's pretty amazing for my first time.
Yeah. So if this was to become a regular monthly clinic, do you think it's something, a service that you'd use?
Absolutely, yep. Word of mouth, we only found out through Facebook. Someone posted that they were here, and when we were down here straight away. Yeah. I've never had something like that, but now I'll definitely be back, and you know what us Maoris are like, it's word of mouth, and once word of mouth gets around, you know.
Especially now that with ACC that people can now go to traditional practitioners through ACC. You've experienced traditional practitioners, so have you had the choice, you know, between a physio and a traditional practitioner? Which one do you think you'd go to after?
I'll definitely come to this one.
Yeah.
If I had the option, absolutely choose this one over anything. I've been to down the centre there. I've been to both those people. I've had physio over Mungavan there. There's a physio that I've seen over there, and had acupuncture and the works. So this is certainly the best experience that I've had.
Kia ora. Okay, brother. Thanks very much.
Cheers.